Understanding Yard Waste, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to talk about a common term you might encounter, especially when dealing with outdoor chores or environmental topics: yard waste. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it. Yard waste, simply put, refers to the natural debris that accumulates in outdoor spaces like gardens and yards. This can include leaves, grass clippings, branches, and even pulled weeds. It's organic material that is often collected separately from regular household trash. Managing yard waste is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it's a matter of environmental care. Decomposing yard waste can benefit the soil. Secondly, many communities have specific regulations on how to dispose of it, which can include composting or using designated yard waste bins. Now, let's put our phrase into action. You can say, "I spent the afternoon raking leaves and bagging yard waste," or, "Our city provides a special pickup service for yard waste on Thursdays." It's important not to confuse yard waste with general garbage. Remember, yard waste is biodegradable and often subject to different disposal methods. Using the term incorrectly can lead to misunderstandings, especially in areas with strict waste management policies. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the term yard waste accurately in your conversations and writings. Remember, it's all about the natural material from your yard that needs to be disposed of responsibly. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.